My name's Anthony Bogan and I'm the director of AB Kitchens Limited. We manufacture kitchens. We've been in the kitchen industry for over 25 years of fitting kitchens myself and decided to move our business forward and move into the manufacturing side of things. I found Richard on the internet. We were looking for local suppliers, went through loads. He was the one who was corresponding with me through sales and stuff like that, giving me so much information and just helped me in my procedure in buying all this machinery that I have today. He was easy to work with, he was understanding, he guided me a lot because this is brand new to what I've done. I could always fit kitchens, but this new machinery is like a hell of a new ball game to me, so he guided me as much as I can and helped me in the process of purchasing what I've got today. We needed a CNC, we needed an edge bander and we needed a saw. They're the three main objectives to make the manufacturing side of the units work, and he guided me into pursuing the ones that I needed. It's helped us, they're all new machines and they've made us more advanced than what we was 6 months ago. Without a shadow of a doubt. I'd always recommend them 100%.